Do you want to send money to a friend or family member abroad, but you're tired of all the complicated steps? What if I told you there's a way to do it with just a few taps, using a service you already know and trust? Well, it's true. With Paysend, you can now use Apple Pay to make international money transfers. It's fast, secure, and incredibly simple. If you're an iPhone user, you know the convenience of Apple Pay. It's the same seamless experience you get at a store or online, now for your international money transfers. No more fumbling with card numbers or lengthy forms. Here's the step-by-step breakdown on how to pay with Apple Pay on Paysend. First, you'll need the Paysend app, so if you don't have it already, head to the App Store and download it. Once you're in, you'll start your transfer just like you normally would. Select the country you want to send money to, and then enter the amount. You'll be able to see the exchange rate and the final amount the recipient will get. Now, on the payment page, instead of entering your debit or credit card details, you'll see the option to pay with Apple Pay. Simply select that. You'll then be prompted to authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. It's the same secure process you're used to when making any other Apple Pay purchase. And just like that, the transaction is on its way. And a quick tip, you can also use Apple Pay to top up your multi-currency account on Paysend. Just go to your account, select Add Money, and choose Apple Pay as the top-up method. It's that easy. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.